Hey, welcome to the 12th video. All the videos are in order, starting from 1 to 35 or 36, whatever the total number of videos is. At the end of the this video playlist, submitted on the WhatsApp, we will be creating a simple website, or perhaps on social media, we'll be uploading these videos and we'll give you the link. Because when new people come in, since they join halfway through, they can't access previous videos. So that's something, an oversight on my end, and I'm going to make amends down the road for this. So in this video, we're going to talk about video proposals. So nobody has talked about or thought about using this facility, out-of-box idea to catch the corner of client's eye. When you write a proposal, you can write a proposal on a project placement using Satrangi formula. You can write a proposal on a project placement using chatgpt, as explained in the previous video. How about in the video, you create a content, you address client's problem, what you can do for them inside 1 minute, upload that video on YouTube channel. Remember, you are already using YouTube channel as you've created one, to upload a reel that is populated on your profile of freelance marketplace profile. So by uploading different proposals on your YouTube channel, not only you are increasing your chances of gaining 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and then of course monetizing your channel, but also in a process you are creating different video proposals for different clients. This could do wonders. Just give it a try, and I would love to hear your comments once we do a question and answer session next week. Yes, that is about to happen.